Should we attempt to explain probability? I guess so. There's this notion that the fourth dimension is almost always time. As much as I want that to be true, I think time transcends many dimensions, because it still takes time in the 10th dimension to reach one point of the 10th dimension to the other. I think probability is more of an accurate disposition of the fourth dimension. It's as though I take a cube that has many cubes layered in alternate directions. In every space in between, you can see the probable outcomes of going through one tunnel, an alternate tunnel, left, right, diagonally. And it bottles down to two things, chance and choice. It's like, yes, it would require time, but probability is something that we cannot conceive in the third dimension. I'm going to coin some terms here. You have the first self, the second self, the third self, fourth self, etc. First self, awareness. No accessory, just awareness. Second self, direction. Third self is form. Fourth self is chance. Chance and choice. So we dissect that. If it's choice first, emotion precedes choice. If it's chance first, then emotion proceeds chance. Because with choice you have to decide, thus emotion is before. But with chance, emotion draws as a reaction. There's no fundamental equation mapping this, that's why I'm doing this. Because if probability is a precursor of chance and choice, which it is, there's a duality here that's happening that we need to dissect. So what comes first, the chicken or the egg? In this aspect, you have two dialects of perception. The first dialect being choice was the first creation of the cosmos, as where the second dialect is chance created the first isotopes to cause a reaction. Then I look at this in code, right? If true, then true. If false, then false. If else, then else. So if chance, then chance. If choice, then choice. If else, then else. And definitively how we resolve this is simply defining it. Define chicken, define egg. Define chance, define choice. And look at that, you're left with a positive and negative pole. I expect nothing else. There is most absolutely a reason why your DNA created a being that can imagine. In fact, I think you should imagine. It might be a lot more real than you think.